Hi everybody, I'm Jackie and I work with the product development team here at Glow Recipe, and I'm a licensed esthetician. Because I work so closely with our co-founders in our labs in creating the new Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum, we figured who better than to introduce our new hero ingredient in the formula and my personal favorite ingredient at treating and preventing dark spots, tranexamic acid. Tranexamic acid is a derivative of an amino acid which can be found in topical skincare products. It works to help fade discoloration and reduce dark spots caused by overproduction of melanin in the skin. It works by interrupting the pathways that causes excess melanin production, so it actually helps to fade dark spots from the source. Because it works a little bit differently than vitamin C, experts recommend using both ingredients together. And you can find both ingredients in our Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. Someone may want to incorporate tranexamic acid into their skincare routine if they're noticing discoloration or dark spots, normally from sun exposure or something like a breakout. What's also great about tranexamic acid is it helps reduce inflammation and redness, therefore evening out your overall skin tone. And what's also special about tranexamic acid is that it's gentle enough to pair with other very powerful actives like vitamin C, niacinamide, and AHAs. We wanted to pair vitamin C and tranexamic acid together specifically because they target hyperpigmentation in different ways. Vitamin C provides antioxidant benefits and is especially effective for surface level brightening, while tranexamic acid is great at treating and preventing excess melanin as it's forming. Combining these ingredients help prevent and treat discoloration. We also paired it with guava fruit extract and guava seed oil, which is naturally rich in vitamin C. Did you know that guava has 4 times more vitamin C than oranges? It's also a natural source of antioxidants, which help protect against environmental aggressors that could over time cause dullness and hyperpigmentation. So that's why tranexamic acid is a hero ingredient in our Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. Our one model, Tenzing, had hyperpigmentation on her skin that had been there for years. You can tell that this is a result from overproduction of melanin, but just look how even her skin tone is after a month and a half of use. One thing we wanted to note about dark spots is that they're totally normal, and that almost everyone gets them because it's a result of our skin's natural healing process. Thank you so much for watching. We've been working hard on the Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum, and we can't wait for you all to try it. Don't forget to subscribe to Glow Recipe on YouTube for more ingredient deep dives, and comment below if you have any questions. Get your glow on!